really important before you cook anything. The most important hygiene thing you should do in a kitchen is wash your hands. Now, first of all, can I just look at your nails? Just let's look at your nails. Right, we've all cut our nails. Yeah, look, all our nails are nice and cut, so there's no grime or grim stuff under your nails. If you do have slightly long nails, then just make sure you spend extra care washing underneath your nails and washing your hands. So I'm going to show you how to wash your hands. I know it sounds a bit silly because we all know how to wash hands, right, don't we?
Yeah.
Well, we think we do anyway. So I'm going to put a tiny bit of washing up hand wash on here. It's antibacterial hand wash. Okay, I'm just going to wash my hands, plenty of soap. Okay, rubbing them, rub between your fingers on the back of your hand like this. Okay, rub on the front, rub on the back. Okay, rub all the way. Okay, all of that, rub it off, rub those nails. Okay, I'll just put a little bit more soap on because I like loads of lather on my hands when I wash them. Okay, so good scrub. Do you see how long I actually washed them for? Okay, so it's not a quick job. It's wash all the back, wash the fronts, wash every finger, and then with a bit of water, just rinse underneath. Yeah, I could take my watch off when I cook, just so that I've got some really clean hand. I'm going to just shake my hands a little bit, and then I can use a paper towel or a tea towel to dry my hands. Okay? You ready to cook, Josh?
Yep.